What's up, you guys? Wanted to make a video. I wanted to have some proof that these are broken. I feel like people believe it. Obviously you can see clearly that it's became damaged, but I'm going to kind of show you that they truly are. They're not really too functional anymore. I'm sure you could take off small fasteners with these still, but as I'm about to demonstrate, I'm pretty sure I'm demonstrating two things here. Demonstrating how good those jaws work, that they could have nailed it, but they fucked up with their design. So I'm gonna fucking size this just perfectly. Okay, let me get these jaws fucking or son of a bitch. Did you see that? Saw that, right? There you go. See all those white spots right there? And every single one of these teeth are chipped right the fuck off. We'll try that again just in case you don't believe me. But as you can see, they're all fucked up. Man, what a piece of crap. Damn, Channel Lock, what the fuck are you doing? You could have done it. You could have beat him, but you didn't. Here we go. Two hands. You saw it again, didn't you? All right, here there is nothing's gonna really grab this. Nothing's gonna loosen this. This pipe is too damaged. It kind of seemed like it turned, didn't it? Maybe it did. Let's see if we can get it out. I'm gonna try to get this thing out for a long time. Oh, hell yeah. We're probably just twisting the pipe off. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we cut it. But that's besides the point. Yeah, the pipe cracked, as you can see. But I hope that's pretty clear as day that they fucked these up, man. Too fucked up. They're damaged. They're done. They almost did it. They could have beat them, but they didn't. It's too damn bad. So, as you can see in that picture right there, that this is the only thing that gives it its spring as far as returning and locking the teeth actually into position. This neat little piece here, it appears that these teeth are undamaged. This is probably a very, very, very hardened piece of steel. And as you can see, it's just riveted on to this thing here. I actually had to use a punch to knock it out. I was trying to drill it out, but it didn't quite. Wasn't doing it. I actually would have needed a lot bigger drill bit to drill around that whole little silver collar there. But yeah, that little spring, it's just a washer that's bent over in the middle. That's all the thing that gives it its spring. And as you can see in the pictures I've shown so far, it's extreme damage done to the teeth. As far as functionality, it's done. But that's pretty much all I got, guys. I just wanted to go further with it, and show everybody what we got here, and hopefully save somebody some money if they thought it was a good idea, or maybe not. Who knows? We'll see. But I'm glad I could do it. There it is, and that's all we got. Thanks for watching, guys.